So here's 20170, number 208. This is the one that's slightly more expensive. First thing is, I think the carpet definitely needs to be replaced in here. It does have a little lift that takes you upstairs. One thing I didn't show you from the inside perspective last time was the garage. So to the left of the entryway, you do have the garage in here. A little bit of storage. And the other property's garage was actually better taken care of. But this is the exact same layout, just different pluses and minuses. It has a tile floor rather than a laminate. It's kind of the faux wood tile. This is the same kind of loft bonus den area that the other property had. Same room sizes. Just basically a vacant property with the kitchen area is definitely different than most. Most of the properties are going to have the granite that you saw in the last one. This owner's chosen to do a slightly different backsplash and a slightly different countertop than what would have come standard. New hardware on the cabinets as well. Looks like they have shutters here for the lanai treatment. Not as pretty of a view. You do have hurricane shutters here, which is nice. You can put those down and not have to pull your lanai furniture in. Still get a little bit of road noise. That's 3 Oaks, which will be a little bit quieter than I-75, but still not perfectly quiet. And the view is definitely not as good as the last one that we looked at. Once again, they've changed out the hardware, they've redone the entire shower area. So definitely some modifications here. Whether or not they bring value to you that's different as well. You can see kind of the original tile and where they've kind of changed it up a little bit. And of course the same, kind of the smaller closet on this side, and then the walk-in on this side. And basically the same view from the master suite as what you have from lanai. It's kind of just like a ficus hedge between you and the church that's next door. Hope this helps.